Hello everybody. Today we are programming ECU of a Mercedes 220 Blue Tech 2016 DELPHI CRD3 7A ECU using KESS3. That's the connections. These are the details of the vehicle. We are reading the data of the ECU. Once we got the data, we're gonna modify it according to our needs and we're gonna write it back again. We are specialized on DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, high fuel consumption, power loss, black or white smoke issues. We are the masters. You can reach me on 07533636194 and I'll be there to answer your calls. And our location is Westerham, Kent, Tango, November 16 to Echo Tango. Please call me and please click on like button and subscribe my channel for the furthermore educational videos. Thanks for watching.